What's going on, guys? This is Mark.
And Haley.
Welcome to the Mercado channel. For those of you who don't know us, welcome to our channel. For those of you who are a part of the family, thank you. Welcome back. Guys, today we have a little interesting video we're going to be doing that we've been thinking about. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how we plan and how we have been paying our debt, as well as saving money and things along those lines. So we're gonna quickly jump right into it. What do we got?
So we can explain the Dave Ramsey snowball effect if you wanna.
I'll start off with for those of you guys who don't know who Dave Ramsey is a financial expert, professional. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Dave Ramsey is, and if you don't, YouTube him, Google him, look him up. He is very helpful on helping people financially, on building wealth and how to save money and pay their debt. Because for those of you who don't know, I'm pretty sure you're watching, you have debt, I'm in debt. Everyone has some kind of debt. You may not think it, but remember, guys, debt is always money that you owe to someone. It may be anything. Debt is considered, you know what I mean? You owe something to the bank or a car loan or whatever it is. That's debt, guys. If you have a balance that you owe, that is considered debt. So we are gonna jump into the Dave Ramsey what is it? The snowball effect.
Yep.
And with that being said, guys, what is the snowball effect? The snowball effect is the first step that has helped us is getting $1,000 into our savings before we even do anything. Meaning, we are working at $1,000 and we only want to have $1,000 in our savings for a backup emergency plan. Whereas if we need something and we don't have it at the time, we have $1,000. Whereas if that 1,000 wasn't there, now we're finding ourselves in a hole where we have to maybe borrow or take out a loan for 1,000. We don't want that, guys. So that has helped us tremendously. Okay, guys, that is the $1,000 to begin as a backup emergency fund in your savings
That's
account.
the step that you have to do before you even start paying debt. Because like you said, if you don't have the $1,000 and something, because life happens for everyone, something comes up, you're gonna have to take the money that you're paying the debt with. You're just gonna keep going more into debt. So
correct, guys. You don't wanna add on to the debt. The whole point of this Dave Ramsey is to eliminate debt. It's to eliminate debt and then eventually be able to save and manage your money properly.
So the next step is?
The next step is paying the smallest debt to the biggest debt. That is what we call the original snowball effect, the beginning stages of paying your debt, guys. Think about it like this. Think about a kid building a snowball or a snowman. How do you build a snowman? How do you make that big round ball of snow? You start little, you crumble it up, and it turns into the big. So with that being said, babe, what do? We start with our small.
Yep, the smallest. It could be $50, it could be $20, it could be $300, whatever it is, the smallest debt, you pay that first. And then when you pay that debt, let's say it's $300, your next one's $1,000. You take the $300 payment that you were originally paying there and put it onto the $1,000.
So with that being said, that's how you eliminate your bills. That's how you eliminate the debt. Let's say, like she said, my credit card bill is $1,000. Once we pay that $1,000, guess what, guys? That's now not debt, and that $1,000 could go on the next one that's bigger, that may be $2,000. Now we have an extra $1,000 a month, and we're throwing it on the next bill, the next payment that we need to do to eliminate our next part of our debt.
Now, the thing that you have to remember is just because you paid that first debt doesn't mean that you have $300 extra to spend monthly. You have to still use that $300 like it's invisible, like you still have that debt, and also use the money monthly that you have extra. So if you have $300, then you have $200 extra dollars a month, you have $500 to put on a bill. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly, guys. Don't make it a habit, because people can pay a bill, pay a portion of their debt, and say, oh, now I have $300 extra a month, I'm going to go splurge. No, guys, that is part of the snowball effect. It's you tackling these little bills and then taking that extra a month and throwing it on the next so we can eliminate, slowly get to the big and work our way up the ladder. So what do we have next?
So things we do to save money and to basically pay our debt is we do meal planning. So we plan for 2 weeks in advance, and we don't eat out much.
We don't.
I mean, we'll eat out maybe the day we go shopping, but from now on, I'll probably go grocery shopping, so we don't even have to do that to save more money. But meal planning is very important, guys. Like I'm telling you, if you have like meals written on a board, we have a board on our wall, and I write down meals every single day, majority of the time. I mean, sometimes I forget, but we know what meal we're gonna have. Then you're not gonna go out and unnecessarily spend for groceries. So
meal planning has been very, very, very important to us, guys. It definitely has allowed us to save some money to throw on this debt.
So budgeting, you can talk about that.
Budgeting. Okay, guys. Budgeting is probably one of the most important parts of this entire snowball effect. If you guys don't know what a budget is setting money aside, setting your finances aside, whether it's fun, whether it's family, groceries, those categories. We're setting a budget, sticking to that budget, trying to stay near that budget. If we can go under, that is amazing, because everything we have extra, we throw on our bills, guys. We throw on our debt, because we really have big plans, and we just trying to get into that high. That our current high debt right now would be her car loan that we are working our way. As you can see, that's not really a big one, but we are working our way there. But we are setting these budgets.
Well, and the house, but we're not paying the house off because we're moving. But when we move to the new house, we definitely will be trying to pay that off before the 30 years or whatever it is.
We'll talk more about that when time comes. Right now, we're worrying about our kind of small debts here that are kind of stopping us from moving forward what we want to do. So yeah, setting a budget. We're gonna go over our budget.
For an example, like for groceries, it used to be $500 a month, $250 bi-weekly. We do bi-weekly shopping, but now since we have MJ, we have to up it $100 because of his formula. So it's $600 a month. Then we, like before anything, we take out our bill money out of our pay, and then we do the groceries, and then like gas, all things like that. And then we put aside money for fun, so we can take Maya somewhere all the time, do something with her. It's very important to still enjoy your life as well as paying bills.
Exactly.
But don't go overboard,
Set a budget, guys. No one's saying, all your money has to go to bills. All your money has to go to debt. No. This is where the budget comes in. Set a small portion that allows you to still move forward each month with paying your bills. Our budget for Maya, we kind of set it high. We've literally been going under budget, which is amazing, and she's still happy. She has fun, and we literally go out every single weekend with her when we have her. So her budget is what is it? $100?
I think we said $150.
$150 for a 5-year-old every weekend. That's a high budget, guys.
And we never really meet it. It's occasional that we never meet it. We
don't even get close to 100. So guys, what we mean by this is, so we set a budget for $150 for our daughter, and guys, when we go under that extra $50 or $60, that goes to a bill. That goes to our debt. So that's extra a month on top of our minimum payments or our payments that we're originally already making, guys.
You have to have the mindset that even though it's there, it's not there. And you have to not just be like, oh, well, we can eat out today with this money or whatever. You have to be like, no, this has to go on bills, because in the end, you're going to be so much happier. Like,
don't forget, it's a budget, guys. It is a budget. You don't want to throw your extra money on fun. Put it towards your bills if that's really what your vision and your goal is to pay it. Strive for it, guys. You got to really be hard. We have been very hard on ourselves, and it's been paying off.
So also another thing that you can do to save money is couponing. I used to do like extreme couponing when I was younger. I don't do it as much now. I mean, I got a lot of stuff and stocked up on a lot of stuff, and our stockpile is actually low now. I have to do some more couponing, but I'm telling you, coupons are free. Most of the apps come with coupons, and you can really get stuff cheap, like laundry detergent, deodorant, paper towels, toilet paper, everything like that. It will really help you. You don't have to go out to the store and pay full price for those types of things when you can use coupons. They're free.
Guys,
Like,
coupons are free. They're very easy to use. Anyone can do it. A lot of people don't like to, I don't know, go through the hassle of clipping coupons or cutting them. Guys, it's paper. It's free. It's electronic coupons. Just use them, save money, and this is how you're going to get your way to success, guys, and paying your things off. Literally, we're really going over our daily life things, guys, so that has helped us. So we just want to share it with you guys because we feel like this is very important and could help anyone else, anybody that has a big family or a small family. And hopefully at the end, our results we know are gonna be we're gonna be on top. So we hope that you guys can use this as well and find yourselves on top as well, guys.
so the last thing would be to like sell old clothes and belongings you don't use. You guys see that he's been putting stuff on eBay, but what you don't know is that as well as like old clothes, Maya grows out of clothes fast. She's a child. So we take her old shoes, her clothes, bring it to Once Upon a Child, a store here, where you can sell kids clothes, and we bring it and we get like a good chunk of money. Last time we got like $50
Yep.
for like, you know what I mean? Clothes
that
we'll
you
never
won't
use.
use.
If you're gonna donate it, that's fine. But if you can get some money for it, then hey, get some money.
Whatever
That's
they
extra
don't
money.
take, then you can donate
Right,
it, guys.
and then you donate the rest after whatever they don't take. We do it with our clothes, you know, we do it with whatever we can. Like we
Yeah.
said, he's selling things on eBay. We try to like minimalize as much as possible. We don't have things excessive here because what's the point of it? Like, you know what I mean? We don't need a million things that are just gonna sit in the house. We have what we use and that's it.
Yeah. Try to not to waste things, or you know what I mean, things that you have around the house that you may not find yourself using. Don't have it collecting dust. It's pointless.
That's a hoarder's
It's
mentality.
hoarding, exactly. It's collecting things that you want sitting around, but if you're not using it, guys, and it's not doing any good use, you know what I mean? Either someone's gonna take it, you can sell it, or donate it if it's not accepted anywhere else, guys. Because you know, as you may know, we do want to give back. That's the whole point of everything. But we also want to focus on our dreams and our goals as well, guys. And we have found ourselves doing very good so far. We're always looking for new ways and new things to do and how to become successful, and you know what I mean, for ourselves and for the kids and stuff like that, guys. Because just the most important thing out of everything is time. Time is extremely valuable, and it's just something you can never get back.
Money you can always get, no matter what.
Exactly. You can be rich. You're not going to be rich overnight, but some people could do it. But time is like, once it's gone, it's gone. You're not getting that time back. So we're sitting here making this video today with you guys, and tomorrow, God forbid, we could not be here. But that's how time is. It's like whenever your time is time, it's just time is valuable, guys. So
debt is like you're like in jail to me. Like it's just something that's holding you back from being able to spend more time with your family and things in life. Like you want financial freedom. That's the best thing in life, to be able to just do what you want. Like once we pay off our mortgage, like when we move, that would be the best. I mean, that's obviously years down the road, but you know, once that happens and we have no debt, like at all, even besides if we just have a mortgage payment and our regular bills, like, you know how great that's gonna feel.
Exactly, guys.
I think we should just tell them for a little example. So far, how long have we been doing this, babe? Maybe like 6 months, if that.
Yeah.
Probably 6 months we've been got serious about actually paying debt. We've had some minor things pop up and we had to put more money back into the $1,000 because, like we said, you always want the $1,000 in there for life occurrences. But for 6 months, we've paid about $5,000, I would say.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more than that, right?
I would say, if not more.
And we're not going to tell you exactly how much we have of debt left because that's our personal business. But we have paid a good chunk, probably like 30%, I would say. Yeah. We're almost there. I mean,
I would say a little more than 30. We have my car.
Yeah. We're considering the house also as debt.
The long one, but hey, I hope that you guys can use this method that we learned from Dave Ramsey, apply it to your everyday life if you have and find yourself in debt, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Watch his videos. Seriously, they're really inspiring.
Dave Ramsey is awesome. He's a true inspiration. Until the next one, guys, the Mercado channel. We're out.